What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mr. Beast from the Stumble Guys. Let's begin today's lesson on the top of our page and add a curve for the top of the head. So we're going to start over on the left side. Let's bend this up in the middle and then bring that down towards the right. It's going to round out the side. So we'll start back on the left, going out and then in, go to the right side and do the same thing. Now let's draw the inside edge of the hairline. Starting back on the left, come in and then up. Let's add a strand coming across. Come down and then in towards the center. And we'll add a point going up. Let's make our way back down towards the right side. We're going to start by coming down and out, and then we'll bend that down towards the bottom. Along the inside, let's draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, coming down, and then back up. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height and then back up. And we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now I'm going to line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center, start with a point, and we'll draw the top edge of the mustache. We'll start with the left side with a straight angle line coming down and out, go back to the center, come down and out towards the right. Let's round out the ends, coming back in, and just pull that back up and in towards the middle. Let's go to the center and add a circle. Now we're going to work our way around the outside of the head. Let's start from these 2 points. Start with a straight line coming down towards the jaw. Line this up on the right. Now I want to round out the jaw, come down and in, just underneath the mouth, go across, and then round out the right side. Now I'm going to place the hat on top of the head, but we're going to tilt it over towards the right. So let's start on the top left side of the head and draw an oval, going around, go across, and then down towards the right, and we'll bend that in towards the side. Now along the top, we're going to draw two straight angled lines going up. Start with the left side, going up towards the top, move all the way over towards the right side. I'm just going to angle this out, and we'll close off the top with a curve. We're going to go up and then bend that back down. Let's add that trim across the bottom of the hat, going up and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the bow tie. We're going to leave a gap in the center, start with two lines coming down the side of the knot, close off the bottom with a curve. From the bottom corners, angle this down and then out. Now going back to the left, we're going to add a jagged line along the outside, coming in, out, and then in underneath the head. Let's go back to the bottom left side of the knot, angle this down and out, round out the bottom, go back up underneath. Let's add another layer, coming down toward the left, round this out, and pull that back up. Now underneath the bow tie, you draw two straight lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the collar. Let's start on the left. Angle this down and out on both sides. Come down and in, just working our way around the bow tie. Come back down and out with a short line. Now we're going to bend this in and then down towards the bottom. Now from here, we're just going to curve the jacket, coming down and then out towards the side. Let's bend the side of the jacket, coming in and then up. And then in between the jacket, we're going to add a curve, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. And we'll leave a gap in the middle, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left side, come down and then up. Now on the left side, we're going to draw the top of the foot. We want to go up, let's bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and then curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go back up and close off the side of the leg. From this point, we're going to step in, bend the leg going out, and then down on top of the feet. Let's add 2 curves along the bottom of the foot. We're going to take this curve, step up, draw that once. And I want to step up and draw that again. Let's add some spots along the top of the foot. We're going to start on the left side with an oval, going all the way around. I'm just going to add these going around towards the heel, and then do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the jacket, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Let's round out the cuff. We're going to go out and then up. Now I'm going to bend the arm going up and then in towards the side of the collar on both sides. And then we're going to tuck the hands in underneath the cuff. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a half oval. We're going to come down and just tuck that up underneath. Now over on the right side, we're going to have him holding the golden ticket. From here, step down, come down and in about halfway. Draw a short angle line going up. Let's place a rectangle in behind the hand. So from here, angle is down and in, flatten off the end, go all the way across and then up towards the right. And we're just going to work our way back in towards the hand, going up and then in. Let's go back to the inside of the cuff, step over, curve the hand coming down and out. Now we're going to add some flowers inside the shirt. Let's start from the top. Just going to simplify this, going all the way around. Just working our way down towards the bottom. Now let's sign our art and add some color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Mr. Beast from the Stumble Guys. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to expand your art skills, you might want to check out our other channels in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.